How to screen share with audio in Messenger. Unfortunately, Messenger on iPhone does not currently support sharing screen audio directly. So you can share a screen by video call. Firstly, open the Messenger app and start a video call with the person or group you want to share your screen with. Now tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do so, tap on the call settings. Now inside the call settings, you will get to see audio output option available. Simply tap on it. Now choose any according to your preferences. Then you can turn off the video. So now let's turn off the video from the both side. Or you can keep one open as well. Now swipe off from the bottom of your screen and you can see share option available. Simply tap on the share and you can tap on the start sharing. Your screen will now be visible to other person but without sound from apps or media playing on your screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.